it kind of hurts. Okay, going on.
This is the most difficult bra I've ever put on in my life.
I have cleavage with no bra.
There's a little rod protruding out of my body.
Okay, so yes, from the past clips, you can see that Jackie and I struggled a bit.
A little bit.
Just a little, and when I say Jackie, I mean me.
This is insane.
But did you watch the video?
I watched, listen,
No,
y'all,
you didn't watch
listen.
the video, girl.
I watched the video. I had a different bra than Jackie and Sinead, and I just did it wrong, okay? It was a quarantine video. There was no one there to help me. I was trying to make sure my nipple didn't show. It was the whole thing.
Well, you know what, Drew, it's okay. You know why? It's okay because today we have the founder and CEO, Amanda of Mrs. Kisses in the building.
Woo!
She's gonna give us a fitting. She's gonna put it on us properly. So we're gonna do it right, no mistakes. And you know, it's gonna be better this time around.
The girl's gonna be looking good.
We've got help.
I think they've come to save us.
All right, Amanda, now you gotta be honest with us. How did we do in the video? You watched it.
I would say a D-.
Wow.
Gracious. That was gracious because I failed.
Well, I'm here to help.
Okay, but listen, before we get into the nitty-titty of it all, can you break it down? Like, how did you start Mrs. Kisses? What was the inspo? Tell us everything.
Well, I had a plunging neckline outfit and I really needed some cleavage and support. I couldn't have straps, I couldn't have a bra band in the front, and I just needed that little push. So I looked on the internet and there was no such thing as a frontless bra. So I decided to create it. You know, we're inclusive. We fit 38 all the way up to 50 J cups. So.
Oh my G. Yeah!
I am somebody who likes to wear an eclectic range of dresses that, like, sometimes there's not a proper bra. that you can
It's
wear with
definitely
it, you know?
for those special occasion outfits
Yeah.
where you want your strapless, your backless, plunging necklines.
I honestly wish I had this during my wedding because, like, that's really hard to find too.
And we have our bridal bra now,
Okay.
so yes. Because it's the first of its kind, it's very important that you schedule a fitting or learn the proper adjustments. We do have videos. We offer complimentary fittings to all of our customers. We have a private label Zoom. You can remain clothed or topless, and we will show you how to do it.
It's amazing.
I love it.
Why didn't we know this information
That's what I'm
before?
saying.
There was a pamphlet in the box that said, "Stop, please read," and you did not.
There was.
Place a sticker on the inside of each paddle and each pad.
Okay, so, like, your boobs are obviously incredible.
They're amazing.
you.
Are you wearing the Mrs. Kisses bra right now?
I am.
Oh my god.
Dang.
And you can adjust how much cleavage you want. So if you want a little, a lot, we have our brand new seamless pad collection, which I'm going to fit both of you in today. We have the BioGel waterproof, so if you're dancing, swimming,
hell yeah.
we have those.
Swimming?
You never
Oh,
know.
dang.
Sometimes
Plunging neckline
swimsuits-
swimmer, you want to like
Listen.
push them up a little bit.
Out of everything.
I feel a little left out, so I'm ready for this fitting. Amanda is going to fit us. We're gonna put on our bras, and my boobs are gonna go from like a B to like a D. I feel it. Last time my boobs looked amazing.
I love a titty video.
Baby girl, we all do.
All right, Amanda, so we're on your website. What is the first thing that we need to see or do when we go on there?
Find the right plunge length for your body type and what outfits you wear.
Okay.
So I think it's very important to pick the right plunge and pad size for your shape. The shallow plunge should replace every single strapless bra because you can wear it with crop tops, bodysuits, tight fitted dresses. No more heavy straps cutting into your shoulders. No back band creating bulge, and you don't have to keep pulling it up.
Yeah, that is the thing. You're just constantly
Very real.
Period.
Then we have the moderate, which is pretty dramatic even for most women, but if you're wanting to be sassy and go out, yes.
I'm pretty but tough like a diamond, or beef jerky in a ball gown.
And then we have the deep plunge, which plunges all the way down to the belly button. That is like the Jennifer Lopez green Versace dress.
Got it.
That Grammy dress.
You're not really wearing that as an everyday outfit.
To Target.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
And then we also offer different size pads. So we have a quiz on the site. You can email support@mrskisses.com and we will answer any questions that you have. Send us a picture, what pads are right for me. We have our curvy seamless, our voluptuous seamless, and standard seamless, and then petite seamless, which I'll be fitting.
Amazing.
So Drew, you had the deep plunge, I believe, or the moderate.
I did. I'm sorry,
It was a little.
Amanda.
No,
I
it's
messed
okay.
it up.
So today we're gonna fit you in the shallow plunge. It's gonna be much easier to adjust. adjust.
Sweet.
Okay, obviously, you know, you don't wear Mrs. Kisses with a bra, but Drew has hers on because, unfortunately for all of us, you know, we don't want to get demonetized and we can't show Drew's boobs. Unfortunately.
I couldn't just stand here naked.
I mean, wouldn't that be a great
Can you
day?
imagine if I was just like...
You make those dreams come true.
But anyway, we want to be able to show you guys how you're supposed to put it on properly. And so Amanda's gonna do it on Drew's boobs, but with a bra.
What we're going to do is we're going to twist our paddles in. You put your thumb behind here. It's almost like a book. So if you're an A-B cup, you're gonna twist these in. And you'll find the adjustment once it's on your breast, but here's like a B, C, D, double D, G, H, and then the pads fill in that volume on the side. Once you have your anti-silicone stickers on your bra, you're also going to add your pads. I place them just like this, and then I angle them in the direction of the breast. So if you have these here angled, if I had them straight up and down, it's not going to give a round look. You have to angle them in the direction of your breast. Without the pads, when you push your breast together, you lose all that volume. And you
No, I love boobs.
Okay.
We are like the least serious people ever. Like, I'm just over here just enjoying. I'm just like, this is wonderful.
This is my job.
The anti-slip silicone pads, they grip the sides of the breast. So imagine the bra as tongs, titty tongs.
I love that.
And the anti-slip silicones will grip the insides of your breast so it doesn't go anywhere. The pads round out the volume so you don't get that torpedo looking shape. These fill in that loss of volume. So the bra gives the appearance of lift. Once you set up your bra kit properly, and adjust it.
Yes, future queen, yeah!
You're going to put it on one breast at a time. So you can push this together for more cleavage. You're going to come to the side of your breast, pull your other breast in, and you are good to go.
It's crazy how it just stays there.
I know.
It's honestly insane. And also with like the different sizes, I think that's crazy. You would think with like smaller boobs, but big boobs that it stays?
Big boobs, small boobs, medium boobs.
I feel like the girls are kissing each other.
It's definitely different than we're used to because we're not used to having that support. We have that support here and then the back.
Right.
But once you get the hang of it, it's like riding a bike.
Yeah.
It feels like a hug.
Sweet.
So Drew is wearing the shallow plunge, which you can see is still pretty dramatic and plunges 2 inches below. It comes right to this slit right here. She's also wearing the seamless pads in standard size. And what size are you again?
34 double D.
Nurse. Oh my God.
Oh, did it hurt him?
Damn, Jackie.
Well, we have to say how incredible they look. They look amazing.
I can nurse the whole village of children.
So a common mistake I do want to mention is women will be like, I want the extreme deep plunge. A deep plunge is not going to work for this dress or it will come down to that slit.
Oh, yeah,
We
that-
don't want that happening. So, and then you would see it through here. So this is the shallow plunge. It holds really nice and snug to the body. Frontless, backless, and strapless.
Ow. They're just ample bosom.
One thing I'd like to mention is that we don't recommend it for pregnant or breastfeeding women who are nursing their children because it does put pressure on the breast. Also, the bra bar will lay on the tummy, so we don't want it interfering with the baby bump. So what we do is we offer discount codes for mothers that are wanting the bra, but after they're done breastfeeding, nursing,
that's
so
really
they can just
thoughtful.
reach out to us. And the majority of our customers are mothers that lost shape to breastfeeding, brides on their big day,
Right.
cancer survivors, transitioning women just wanting extra. So let's get you now.
I love this.
Women supporting women.
So Jackie is wearing the shallow plunge, as you can see, and her dress is backless and strapless, so you can see.
Oh, look at that. No bra.
Yes, no bra. And she is wearing the petite seamless pads. Yeah. And what cup size are you?
I'm a B. Actually, I'm like a 34C. I don't know what size I am.
yeah.
It's like, it runs the gamut, you know, depending on where I purchase my bra at.
It's very confusing.
I will say though, we tried on the pads that Drew had on, and my boobs looked even bigger, which I loved. Like, an option. If I want to be like extra boobalicious, I can use the bigger pads, or if I want to be a little bit more conservative with my bra size, we do the smaller
And
pads.
if you're wearing a shirt that like comes closer to the edge, you might want the smaller pad. So this is the perfect option.
I feel great. I think it's crazy again that I have something here and it's not falling off. You look at it and you're like, there's no way that's gonna stay on.
So it's definitely designed for those special occasion outfits, frontless, backless, strapless. But I'm also wearing it today with a casual top, so you can really wear it whenever you want.
Whenever.
So it is very important though, we have the patent, the US patent, and exclusively at mrskisses.com. We do not wholesale, and there are a lot of counterfeit companies out there right now. So protect yourself, do your research, and support a woman family-run business based in Los Angeles.
Listen.
Love it.
And we are partners with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. So you can also purchase our Kelly kit, which is a pink bra bag. And 15% of the sales go to breast cancer research.
Very cool.
Yeah. You called her what, a boob superhero?
Yeah, you are a boob superhero.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you for having me.
Oh my gosh,
I really
of course.
appreciate it.
Listen, we needed you here. We needed your assistant, and
needed
we
help.
appreciate you coming in
And
and,
if you
showing us
need
the proper
anything,
way.
we do complimentary fittings. You can have numerous fittings. So if you need my help, just call.
Thank you for reuniting my
Thank
boobs.
you.